My Vedic Max book, First Trick in Max era, Vedic Max. Can you solve this kind of sum in a few seconds? Yes, I can solve this kind of sum in a few seconds. The answer of this sum is 4434. What? You also learned that how to solve this kind of sums? Yeah? Then see a whole video to understand how to solve this kind of sum in a few seconds. Okay? So let's start our today's video. Our today new concept is that addition of list. What is the meaning of addition of list? Okay, so welcome back to your channel, my Vedic Max book. In this video we are to learn that how to solve addition of list and what is addition of list. Okay, and how we can solve a long sum in a few seconds. Okay, so let's take our small introduction of our today's topic. Okay, now we are master of all additions from double plus single through to lengthy addition, but addition does not end here. I have only talked with you that additions are two rows. What? If we get more than 2, then don't worry. I will teach you that in this video. Let's final deal with addition and addition of single digit list. Later then we will see how to deal with double, triple or a quadrant or etc. Okay, in this video we have to learn that how we can do a final deal with a single digit or a double digit sums or a triple digit sum or a quadrant sums. Okay, this technique in VM is also known as a Rekhana Panditi. In Sanskrit, the Rekha means the line. Okay, the line is line. In English, we are calling it dropping tens. Okay, this is the small introduction of our today's video. In this method, we always get a new number between 10 to 18. Okay, in this method, you receive a new numbers between 10 to 18. Means 18 to 10, you receive a numbers. Okay, wherever you get a total between 18 to 10 to 18, you must put tens from it using a rekha. Rekha means a small line or a small dash. Let's assume you got here 17 between 10 to 18. Okay, 10 to 18 number you receive here 70, means you image the number 17. Now mustly separate 10 and 7, means 10 plus 7 equals to 70. Now must drop a 10 from it, means forgot 10. Only put dash after 7. Okay, you have to remember only 7, nothing else. You have to forget 10. Your mind is not minus symbol, just dash or a hyphen. In your mind only remember that dash 7, nothing else. Okay, for a better explanation, let's assume our one example. Example is 13. Okay, so now the separate 13. What is separation of 13? 10 plus 3. Then when we add 10 plus 3, the answer comes 13. Now forgot 10. Okay, only remember 3. Now 3 is the illustrate. Okay, now 3 is the illustrate number. Keep in your mind. Okay, not in your finger. Keep in your mind 3 is the illustrate number. For example 13. Okay, dash and 3. What we put in dash, then the answers come 30. Dash donut 10. Dash means 10. We add 10 and 3, then the answers comes 13. Or the illustrators of 16, 6. 12, 2. Okay, let's start our today's topic. How to solve a single digit sums. Okay, single digit sum. For example, 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5. Okay, so count the list from bottom to top. Okay, in our normal max we start editing here to here. Okay, but in Vedic max you want to start editing from here to here. Okay, then you solve easily. In the question, wherever this type of given, it means you have to keep that digit in your mind. Okay, keep that number in your mind. So let's start editing. Okay, first you want to add 8 and 5. Okay, you want to first add 8 and 5 and the answers comes 13. Okay, now forgot 1. What is 1? You don't know, only remember 3. And do after 8 line and write here 3. Here you can't write 3, only in your mind write 3. Here you only have to do dash, nothing else. Okay, like this. Now you have to add 9 and 3. Okay, in this all sums you receive answer between 10 to 18. Okay, means here you receive 10 to 18 numbers, then forgot 1. Okay, whenever the answers come in 2 digit, then forgot the 10th place, only remember the unit place. Now add 9 and 3. Okay, the addition of 9 and 3, the answers comes 12, means 2 digit. Now forgot 1. What is 1? You can't know. Okay, and do dash after 9 and write 2. Now add 6 and 2. Okay, the answers comes 8. Okay, 6 and 2, the answers comes 8. Now the number can't come between 10 to 18, so plus 5 also, do plus with 5 also, and the answers comes 13. Remove 1. What is 1? You can't know, only 3. So write after 5 3. Now add the both numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3, the answers comes 10. Okay, so you can't know what is, you can't know here 1 is there, only remember 0. So do 0. Now you have to count this both. Okay, first you have to write last number here, I write here, then you have to count these numbers 1. Okay, count 1 2 3 4, means 4 times you put here bar, then write here 4, means your answers comes 40. Check your answer. This is the magic of the Vedic maths. You can solve the sums easily. Check your answer. The answers comes 40. Now one more example of an even lengthy list. So let's take one more better example to learn a even lengthy list. Okay, even lengthy list. Even lengthy list means that a long list where the even numbers are come there. So for example, first we have to add 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. Okay, these long sums you have to solve in 10 seconds without counting. Okay, now what you want to do when this kind of big sum was given? Okay, this kind of big sum was given, it means you have to learn that it is very easy sum in this world. Okay, so first you have to add 7 and 6. Okay, first you have to add 7 and 6. The answers come 13. Okay, the addition of 7 and 6, the answers comes 13. Now remove 1. What is 1? You can't know, only 3. So do mark before 7 and write here 3. Okay, now do add of 8 and 3. The answers comes 11. More than 10 and less than 18 numbers are come, then you want to separate the numbers. Okay, otherwise start editing. Now 8 plus 3, answers comes 11. Now what is 1? You can't know, only you know that 1 was there. So write, do dash after 8 and write here 1. Okay, now add 9 and 1. 9 and 1, the answers comes 10. Now you can't know what is 1, only 0. Unit place only you want to remember. Okay, 0. So do mark here 0. Now add 0 and 6, answers come 6. Now the number 6 is not greater than less than 10. Okay, you want to find the number 10 to 18, not less than 10 to 18. So add 5 also. The answer of 5 and 6, the answer comes 11. Okay, the answer comes 11. Now you can't know what is the meaning of 1. Here 1 is not come only. You have to remember only 1. So do dash here after 5 and write 1. Okay. Now add 7 and 1. The answer comes 8. Now the 8 is the last number before 10. So add 9 also. Okay. The answer comes 7. Okay. So do after 9 7. Write 7 here. Okay. What is 1? You can't know. Only 7 you know. So write here 7. Now add 7 and 6. The answer comes 3. So write here after 6 write 3. Then add 7 and 3. The answer comes 10. So write here 0, not 1. Then you have to add 0 and 4. Answer comes 4. Then add 8 and 4. 12. The answer comes 12. So here you have to write after 8 2, not 12. Now add 6 and 2. The answer comes 8. Now the 8 is a less number than 10. Now add 9 also. Okay, add 9 also. The answer comes 7. So do, okay, so write 9 after 7. Now add 7 and 7. The answer comes 14. So here you have to write 4, and the 4 is the end number of these sums. Okay, nothing else. Now you have to write the end number here 4. Now count this all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right here 10. Okay. Means 104 is your final answer. Check the answer. Okay. 104 is your final and at least end answer. If you understand this method, then this method is very easy in the world. For understanding this method, this is very difficult. But when you understand properly this method, then this method is very easy in this world. Okay? What you learn in this lecture? You learn in today's lecture that how to solve a lengthy addition sums or a addition of list. Okay? What is the meaning of addition of list? Solved by using a Vedic Maths lecture. And now what you want to learn in our next live lecture? You want to learn that in our next lecture how want to learn a balance rule. Okay, you want to learn in our next lecture balance rule and a non-carryover rule. Okay, for example 32, here you have to learn that 2-digit sum plus. Okay, for example 32 plus 25 plus 64 plus 86 plus 98 in a few seconds only. So stay here and see whole video till the end. My Vedic Maths book. So hello students, I hope you learned some new method by attend this lecture. Then subscribe to our channel and really you learn some new tricks to solve this kind of sums. Then press the like button and stay here for our upcoming lecture how to solve a balance sums by doing sum and learn a balance rule. And I recommend that if you forgot to subscribe our channel, subscribe to our channel, My Vedic Maths book, for our upcoming lecture. So